everyone. So we are about to head off to Ottery in Myanmar. This is gonna be part of a very mixed vlog. I wanted to at least pull out a vlog for November. And just give people an update on what I've been doing. I've been away for quite some time and I want to be very consistent in the content that I bring and be very real. My content is, I want it to be very real. I want people to see what a child of God goes through in 2022 and beyond, and a child of God is waiting on God to fulfill his promises in her life. And who knows that even right now, God is at work and doing great a great and beautiful work inside of me and with me and around me. I want to take myself, I want to see myself in this journey, and I want to take everybody with me that's going to be watching my content and subscribing to the channel and just basically coming on along with me on the ride of my life. And let's get on to it. I don't want to talk too much. Let's get on to it. I am in my flat. My flat is not exactly what I want it to be, but it's one of those promises that I know that it's one of those things that God has given me, that if he comes back and says, so what have you done thus far? I can point and say, I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that. And this is just basically from that scripture of the 3 servants who had a master who gave them talents and gave them things to take care of, and all of them dealt with it in their own different ways. And I don't want to be that last servant, man, that just says, I was so scared and I knew that you would so I hid your money in underground so that no one could steal it and all of that stuff. And the master was just so angry, and Jesus equated that to the kingdom of heaven. And for me, it's more of the things that God has given you to take care of. You better do due diligence, and this flat is one of those things. And I can't wait to take you guys on a real journey of, some of us are not going to immediately get into the mansion. Some of us are gonna start from the bottom so that the people before us and our babies don't get to experience this. Because the thing is with Abraham was the one to start the journey of the promise of God. Isaac was just riding on the journey that Abraham had. And that's the kind of attitude that I have in this part of my life. And when I talk about my flat and I talk about where I am, and one of the things, I don't want to ramble so much because I see I'm going on to 3 minutes, but one of the things that, as I took leave, I was resting, and that's one of the reasons why I wasn't able to produce content. And I told myself that I'm not going to produce content when I'm back home. I'm just going to focus on rest and God, me and God, and rest. And that's just about it. Not that when I'm at work and, doing 9 to 5s, I'm not focusing, but there's just a solace in relaxing. There's something about when you take time to go relax. There's definitely something about it. I don't know what it is yet, but when you rest, you come back with that fire. So I want to take you guys on this journey of me. I'm going to purchase one of the big purchases that I've purchased and hopefully it's gonna come to pass. I'm praying, I believe, I see it, that is possible. I've dedicated the plan to God to say, Lord, the next piece of furniture that I want in my room is a fridge, because I'm suffering when it comes to having to prepare food for myself and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go buy a fridge. I already have the bed that I want. It's not exactly one I want it to look, so I don't want to show it to you guys until it looks the way that I want it to look. So we'll leave that there, and I want to take you guys on this journey with me. A good friend of mine is gonna be with me on this journey, and we are gonna just go and do shopping, and hopefully I can also go to the beach. I have this thing ever since I got back that I just want to go to the beach. That's all. I want to be on the sand. So come along with me. I'll show you my outfit. I'll show you the thing that I'm going to go, the fridge that I want to go purchase. And hopefully by next week, by the end of next week, we will be talking about a fridge that's in front of our faces. Thank you for watching, and I'm opening this vlog with this, but even though there's got a bit of content that I've been doing before, it's quite small, but it's exciting, and I just want you guys to, like I said, come on this journey of my life with me, and let's do it with Jesus. Bye.
What God has done, I'm counting my blessings, naming them one by one.
Good morning. Morning, everybody. This is our first day back at work, so I want to vlog that for you guys. I'm on my way. Try to keep people out of your vlog so no copyrights come through. And let's see what today has in store for us. See who's at work, see who's doing what where, and yeah, let's go. Come closer so that you can you see it? You see my face and it. I feel like this is chocolate though. I love the hand written note. Valencia, this thing is crooked. I can just see it. Move your finger from the thing. I love this.
Listen to these bloggers. They ask for help and they want to be like.
No, we're very picky, my friend.
Very picky about it.
We
So
don't.
Like, you know what? I'm not even going to bother. Just don't give me.
Actually, let's. did she not drop it like this? Yes, sis. First, because Valencia's on the camera. First.
Listen, announce that it's Valencia on the camera.
Yeah, you have to. So you know that the drop down was Valencia. This is number 1, and it's Rims Teasers. I love guys.
Please make sure I'm not anywhere in that shot. Eh?
You are.
Please, can you move your camera so that I'm not there? Thank you.
This is.
I don't get paid for this.
It's like a diffuser. We are in love.
Nicole, don't you must get paid to be just showing up on these vlogs.
We are in love. And then comes yes. And then this is one. And then I just take these away. This has been wrapped so beautifully. I love this wrapping paper. It's so man. If there was ever a life for me, it's right here, my friend. This must be enjoyed. Like, I curious about that. Guys. Yes. Oh my god, this is a candle. Yeah, it's a candle. Oh, it's not a candle. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, hello.
Starter pack from TV.
Oh, oh,
Are you listening?
oh. Sorry. Mama, come. Hello now. Chai tea. Hello. I love it. Pure. Cook up pure chai. Thank you so much. Oh, this is so. What is it? It's chai tea. Cook up.
Chai tea.
Okay. No rooibos choco.
No joke anymore.
Rooibos and choco. Leah Vial here.
I'll have some of this tea.
It's fine.
I'll have this. This I'll have some.
Guys,
What was in the appetizer?
did we skip my birthday? What happened?
Oh, my mother.
My mother was.
Hey, your mom was that.
Can you please can you open my tea?
You, but you don't eat chocolate. Yes, I'm sorry. You know what is insane? You know what is insane? My bag. I'm getting ready to leave the office. And then somebody, as I'm putting in my wallet, I'm trying to fix my stuff, and then I see this. Somebody in their right mind. Oh my god, so it fit to buy me something. Oh my god, these people in this office. It is the thought that counts for me, guys. It's just that I wanna cry. I can't do this. Oh my god, I just can't do this. Morning. So it's morning, Sunday morning, back in Cape Town, and relaxed, but excited, because today, right over here, is where we at, and we're about to enjoy a beautiful service. And just thought of opening the vlog with a hello, and let's get this thing on the road.
a big fridge, joint. 23,000.
But what do you think it can do?
Make ice. Nee, maar dat is zo. Wat is het? Juist de ice. Oh, look here, 27,000.
Ice,
Crushed ice.
water,
and
cubed, and crushed. And then this is an easy dispenser. Wait, I'll do this thing.
You get it? 57. Ay, dat is just why you want to.
Digital inverter technology.
Yes, and it's black, but it's even a more of a taunt.
What the? You need to have a bed.
Ay.
Which one?
So just come and get this and go. No, I don't want these ones. We ain't gonna ask you to watch it, but I don't want that.
This is the one I was looking for.
Promotion. Oh, is dat big fridge?
Is it? How do you open it? Ooh, nice. Water dispenser.
Zie, ik kan ook in de sliding.
Slide. Where's he gonna come now?
Okay.
You're supposed to be helping me film my stuff. Watch out,
Okay.
watch out, watch out.
Open.
You're supposed to be helping me film my
See,
stuff.
I'm just opening the door.
Just close the thing. Kiki, look at how you filming. You're horrible. But on a serious note, Jared, like the size. You're horrible. Keeping my stuff. All this thing. Option A. Jared, wacht. One thing I know about KIC, they know how to deliver on a design of a fridge. KIC. Whereas this one,
Oops, sorry.
but that top drawer compensates for this. It's not bad. And it's 5 years, it's not bad. Here we go. We got her. Eventually got her. She is the Hisense Life Reimagined fish. It's a whole enjoying situation happening here. This is it. And so excited. The dogs are too. And yeah. Is it recording perfect? I think we're recording. I think. So. Meet the new refrigerator and meet the dogs of the house. If they pop up, they pop up. It's unboxed, guys. This is God. Tell you that for free. This right here. This is Jesus. None of this. None of this would have been possible if God wasn't on my side. So by myself, I have to try and unbox my beautiful fridge. I feel like McDonald's, honestly. I didn't eat the whole morning, and it's currently, I don't know what time it is, but I didn't eat. So yours truly is a bit on the grumpy now side. Kick it up from the top. Shine. This is the bag. To move it. So I'll just unbox the back of it. I need to unbox it from the front. Okay, this is the front. Love the silver. So, I wanted a water dispenser, a water dispensing fridge. I really, really wanted it, but money said no. So, there you go. Oh, this is out here. We could be like, surprise! You have a dispenser! This one. I'm trying to see how I can unbox properly without like hurting the situation. Inshallah, let's see it properly from the start to the finish. It's my baby. Let's put it on again. So I'm trying to see how do you move the box out so that you can perfect. That as well. And then one thing about a fridge, fridges are like they are protected, man. Like I'm looking at this and like, oh my god, fridges are protected. Protected. So this is that's done. My worry is that it come with a manual. That look like it comes with a manual. Okay, we have to cut it this side as well. I'm so happy with this fridge, guys. I'm actually thinking of the food that I'm gonna store. I'm so happy. That's my baby. I honestly wish there was a dispenser here, but I'm also okay with this one. I'm also okay with this one. It was the last one. The last. It was the last one. So it's okay. Sissy's running. I'm trying to see how I can take off the bottom and then without like screwing up everything. Sorry. I'm trying because that's so heavy when I have to figure this out by myself. Oh. Wiring. Go away. He's loving this, he does. So, full update. That's what baby looks like. We are so proud and so happy. We are gonna unbox together, guys. I just wanna start off here first. to. I'm gonna tear it up. I don't. I mean, I just did that, but don't want to tear it up. So I'll leave it. So proud. I'm so happy about it. I am very happy about it. The storage space is lit. I love it. I love everything about it. Love it. My sense is coming through in a big way, guys. In a big way. And I have a manual. I have that sticker, that A sticker, and I have a manual with inside it. This is my class so easy. Inside the manual, I've got the egg holders for the 16. What is this? Got the egg holders, which I presume need to sit over here. But yeah. Yeah. And then I've got the ice making thing, which will probably sit in the deep freezer. And then I've got this, and I've got this. Long way to go. But overall, very pleased